Is he?
Ball snap on this one.
Yeah. I saw his brother-in-law's doing it now, too.
Yep. He's done it at a Mark's barn.
Mm-hmm.
Did he grab another wrench?
Yeah. Mm-hmm.
Yeah, it's a longer one too, not ratcheting though.
Honestly, I'm not really having problems with leverage. Or the bolts coming out so far.
You shouldn't have said that.
Of course, as soon as I say that, this one's going to get a little tighter.
That's what I said. You shouldn't have said that.
Water coming out, did I hear?
Yeah, I cleaned the clean out. Yeah, there's like a weed hole on the back of that gearbox where the back of the trough is, and I cleaned it out. Now the trick of one wire nut through the hole at a time.
I know it. I was thinking that the whole time. How the fuck am I gonna get this out of that hole?
I'm still waiting to see how we're going to get that entire motor up out of here.
Brute strength.
I don't remember bringing that today.
Good old fashioned retard strong.
Chain and the tractor sitting out there behind you.
Or that.
That's still going to be interesting. I'm imagining a decently heavy motor.
Probably 100 pounds.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
not nearly as bad as I thought.
Out here and then hook it to something. And...
Yeah. Yeah, as long as we set curl the bucket out to right there, loop the chain around the bucket, and bring it down and hook it, it should have enough lift on it to pull it out the hole.
I'm gonna rotate this motor a little more.
Actually, it's not that bad. You want to go get a chain?
Yep.
Alright, hang on. We have that. We'll go back up and around the bucket again.
Can we pick it up and you could, that way we might have enough lift?
Oh, it'll have enough.
Okay.
I got faith in it.
Sounds kind.
Yes, it is. What about the auger spun?
Yeah, me too. I was a little bit worried.
I mean, looking at that motor, I wouldn't have guessed the auger would have still spun. All that because somebody was too cheap and lazy to put a sump pump in.
Yeah. Watch fingers.
You have a lot of faith in those boards just dropping that.
Well, I better have. It holds this whole concrete pad up.
Yeah.
So these are the silos across the street from the shop. Came over here today to give them a hand getting the motor for the main auger out because it flooded and kind of rusted solid. So I guess we don't have to go get a 10-horse motor because there's one right there. And we're just going to steal that one because it works. Makes life easier.
I can get this thing to go. Yeah, that one is. The other one, the threads are about gone.
Had to come out for a service call real quick in between working on that electric motor. Old 41. Oh, good thing it's on your side. Old 4166 here decided to kick the pulley off the alternator. Well, they gave us the wrong pulley, so it's going to turn into a Monday problem now because it's Saturday afternoon and the dealership's closed.
use that 2x4 and pry it right here.
Hopefully the bolts are just long enough to
You can just suck it back down. You can probably see all the way to the sump pit over there, can't you? Outside there.
This is a very tight hole.
Yeah. I haven't said that in a lot of years. At least not since the last 2 years.
Alright.
Watch yourself on that cut board there.
Wanna go ahead?
Ready?
Yep.
Nothing?
Nothing.
I really hope that wasn't sitting there because that was a junk motor.
No, it worked. We plugged it in and tried it earlier.
Okay.
You got loose down there. Yeah.
Woo, baby!
Now let's see if it's going the right way.
I'll give it a quick bump.
Yep.
It is?
Yep. Counterclockwise, right?
Yes.
Yes, it's going the right way.
Alright, well I'm going to turn it on.
I'd start the leg first so
I'm
you're not
going
filling
to.
the buckets too fast.
I just wanted to bump that.
All that sludge coming up through there?
Yeah.
8-year-olds need it in like bin sweeps.
Well, that's just because he almost got taken out by one. Oh, yeah, it's moving. I can hear it down here. Here, take this one. Look at that. It also moves grain and sludge. I don't think they're going to care about the beans. I think they're going to be more mad about the sludge you pumped in there.
Yeah, black
They're probably going to be happy about the beans on top.
Yeah.
I call that a pretty good day. This place hasn't moved grain in probably 10 years. And we got it fixed today with crap we found laying around here. That other 480 volt motor was just laying on an auger down here that was a junk auger. Found the pulley sitting in the control shack that we used on it, so I call that a pretty good win. So in all of our running around today, Chris bought a one bottom plow. We're gonna go see if we can play with it. He bought a disc yesterday. You excited for that? Never seen someone so happy to tear up his yard. This is the disc he picked up for it yesterday. We were playing with that a little bit today, but we really needed to plow that stuff under before we tried to disc it. Hey, this is going to be nice when we get it disced afterwards. But I'm shocked for a little 24-horse tractor. I mean, it will start spinning the tires and bog if you've got the plow too deep. But just lift the plow just a hair and it goes. And that's actually ripping pretty deep. I'm really impressed.
That's probably a 14-inch plow.
What is it?
Like a 20?
So we've got a 20-inch one bottom on the back of your 24-horse tractor.
Yeah.
And it just rips.
Well, you gotta think this was a 3-bottom plow that guy said that he took apart.
Yeah, I don't think that was a bad $150 though.
No.
Oh, that is cleaned right up too, just from ripping.
Mm-hmm.
Hell yeah. Works really good until you hit the ruts that you already made earlier. I'm impressed though, for a 24-horse tractor, it doesn't run a one bottom too bad.